Hello guys, first I'm applying this Smashbox Primer Water and then I'm applying this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my eye base. Blending it with a blender and then with a brush. Now I have taken soft brown shade and I'm blending it on my crease line. Now I have taken a dark brown color on small blending brush to create a halo effect on my eyes. Now I'm creating a cut crease on my eyes with an angular brush. I'll take the same base that I have applied earlier. Now creating a halo effect with a darker brown color and making sure there are no harsh lines. Now I am taking a glitter glue from NYX and applying on the cut crease that I have created. I have taken the jewel effect glitter from the Makeup Studio and applying it with a flat brush. I'll repeat the same steps on the other eye. This is how you can create cut crease. Now I'll be applying the darker shadow on the outer corners of my eye. I have taken this brown color, dark brown color from the Carnival palette. Now I have taken an eyeliner from Ricoh that I'm applying. I'll have to use both my hands for this. I'll apply this off camera as I need to look closely into the mirror. Now I'll clean whatever has fallen under my eyes. This is the reason I do my eyes first. Now I'm applying a moisturizer and a primer to start with my base. I'm applying orange corrector from LA Girl on all the dark spots and pigmentation that I'm having on my face. Using a beauty blender to blend it. Now I'll be using two tones of base from the Makeup Studio in the shade Carabine and Beige. I'll be using shade Carabine on the parts where I have used orange corrector. I'll blend it with the same brush. Now I'm using shade Beige on all over my face to equalize my base. Over this I'll be using a liquid base from Estee Lauder in the shade Sand. I'll take a few drops and apply it all over my face. This gives you a dewy effect if you are using a liquid foundation over the cream one. It also depends on what brand you are using for creating a dewy finish. I'm blending it with a beauty blender. You can see how flawless the base is coming out. It also gives you full coverage. Now I'm applying Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Very little, only on the highlighting parts wherever required. Blending it properly. Now I'll be applying the false lashes. I have applied the glue and I'll place it on my lashes and press the inner and outer corners. Now I'll be applying this translucent powder from Laura Mercier under my eyes and wherever I have applied my concealer. I'm not fond of putting on too much powder on my face as I don't require it much as I have neutral skin texture. Next I'm using this gel liner from Inglot and mixing this with Duraline and apply it on my waterline as a kajal, and I'll also smudge this to create this look. I'm using this pencil from Kiko to fill my brows. Now I'm using this MAC pigment to highlight my brow bone. Next I've taken this darkish brown color from Conceal and Correct palette from MAC to contour my face and my nose as well. I'll just smudge this with the same brush that I'm using. Contouring is important to cut your face in a proper shape. You can see the difference. I'll just smudge this cream contour and over that I'll apply this Hoola powder contour and you can already see the difference. How sharpened the face look after contouring. I'll apply this on my nose as well. Now next I'm using this powder blush from Tarte. This is a soft peachish color to give a very natural look. Next I'm using this highlighter from MAC on my cheekbone and then I'll apply it on my nose as well, on the tip of my nose. and on all highlighting parts of my face which I want to highlight. Next, I'm using this palette from Forever 52 to fill my lips. I've taken a soft orangish shade. I'll outline the lip first and then fill it. So here I have overlined my natural lip line to give a fuller effect. Now over it I'm applying a nude colored lipstick and topping it off with a gloss. And you can see now I'm only left with the mascara on my lower lashes, and now you can see the whole look. I hope you guys like it. Like, share and comment if you want me to create more of such looks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.